Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get some Facebook likes for your page before we actually do any advertising. Now, this is really important because it's kind of hard to advertise for a page that has 0 likes, because when you have no fans on your page, people are not going to trust it, and it's going to be hard, and also your cost of advertising is going to be higher. So it's important to get some likes before we actually start running ads. And also, you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars to get likes by running Facebook ads, obviously. So what you need to do is you need to buy some likes from somewhere else, some fake likes. Basically, the whole point of this is to get your page up, so you're gonna have some likes on your page. So when you run your ads, you're gonna be able to show that, hey, your page is actually popular a little bit, right? So something you're gonna notice is that my recorder has changed. I'm using a new recorder because I was having trouble with the actual QuickTime recorder, so I'm just using a software. I hope this one is not going to crash. Okay, so let's get into it. So in order to get some likes, in order to buy some likes for your page, you can use Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a page. It's a website where you buy where you pay $5 for small services. Everything from small tasks to stuff like this. Buying likes and the other stuff. So let's go to Fiverr. And in Fiverr, you're gonna search for Facebook like. Okay, now there's something you need to understand is that Fiverr actually took down or changed their terms of service, I believe. So you're not gonna see people telling, "Hey, I'm gonna get you Facebook likes," because it's kind of against Fiverr's term of services. So what you're gonna find is people telling you this: "I will manage your social media posts and blogs." So they're gonna tell you exactly. They're gonna manage your page. Basically, they're just gonna give you likes. Okay, so that's how it works. So you can buy it from many different people. You just gotta take a look at them, take a look at the reviews and see what other people are saying, and then just buy them. Now let's take a look here. Obviously, you want to buy from the ones with reviews. Now this one is. Let's take a look at that one and that one. I'll manage your social media page. I'll provide likes. Okay, that's good. That is okay. 250. This one is giving me. No, this is not what we want. This is just social media. Okay, so this is the like that we want. So all you gotta do is just get the basic. Alright, so 250 likes, obviously. So it's gonna cost you $5. It's really cheap. So you just click on proceed to order. Let me just make the payment. Okay, let's place. And that should be done. So all you gotta do is just give them your Facebook page. Let's copy this. Here's my Facebook page. There you go. Click on send and done. All right. So that should be it. It's gonna send me likes pretty soon. In 3 days. So while we get everything else ready, we're gonna wait for this to send us likes. So I mean, we're not gonna wait for it. Obviously, we're just gonna get everything else ready. So by the time we start running ads, we're gonna get some likes from this person too. All right. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.